just so you know, this background behind me is actually not real. So if you've been thinking of starting a YouTube channel or you want to go into YouTubing, you don't have to keep thinking about it or you keep delaying over it. You just need to get started. So maybe you have concerns of not having the perfect background that fits what you're looking for. You can always put the fake background or something digital just behind you. You don't actually have to have it physically. So you could start with where you are, with what you have, and you could start right now. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a digital background or a fake background, as most persons call it. So stick with me in this video and let's jump right straight into the video. So we head to Pinterest. Then do ensure you've logged into your account. Next, you're going to search for the type of wallpaper you want to use. So we use the search tool. Now we're going to search for a tech house or a tech home. All right, so tech house aesthetics portrait wallpaper. So we click on search. Okay, so you could select any of this depending on what you want, or if you need something else, you could go for it. Okay, or maybe we could use this. So let's use this. This looks beautiful. Then you download this. You click on the top right corner. Then you click on download image. Okay, so the image has been downloaded. Next, you go to CapCut. Then you click on new project. So we select the video, this video. Then we click on add. Next, we're going to add the wallpaper. So we click on the plus button. Then we'll go to photos. Then we'll select the photo. Then we'll click on add. Okay, so this looks perfect. Next, you're going to extend the photo so that it meets the duration of the video you're working on. So next, we're going to overlay the video. So we'll click on the overlay tool. Okay. Next, we're going to remove background. So which is remove BG. So you click on remove BG. There you go for auto removal. So next, we hold the video. Then we infuse it on the wallpaper. Okay, so you could see, very, very easy. All right, so you could see that over 80% of the job is already done. So you simply need to edit your video and do some touches, then you export your video. So you can see the finished work looking beautiful, right? So let's export and save. All right, so it's exporting.